You know what's tricky? Dialogue. So here we go. There is this sort of cliche that you either are born knowing how to do dialogue or you're not. I just disagree. You know, I'm a big believer that, you know, revising, rewriting, working on it, you can get it there. So unless you're Bo Burnham and you can just nail dialogue in the first try, let's try to figure it out. This is 3 tips for writing dialogue. Tip number, the first, just get something down. Just write something. Writing is rewriting. You're going to have to fix it anyway later. So, you know, the sooner you can rip off the Band-Aid and get something on the page, the sooner you can start actually doing the work. Don't judge yourself so harshly. Second tip, characters rarely say what they actually mean. And usually that's because if you hear literally what they need in the scene or literally what they're thinking of, it sounds artificial and fake because that's not really how people talk in the real life. If a character needs something in a scene, they're probably going to go out of their way to talk about everything but what they actually want to talk about because that's just more true to life. Everybody's a hero of their own story. Someone called this lying. I think it's just people being people, and the sooner you can get away from characters delivering plot devices or essential information, and the sooner you can get to characters trying to negotiate their way through a scene, the better off you are, I think. Tip number, the third, read the dialogue out loud. First line of defense, you yourself should read the dialogue out loud. This usually helps with like grammatical stuff and like pronunciation stuff. Some words on the page look awesome and then trying to pronounce them are just impossible. More importantly, have people that are not you in your brain read the dialogue so you can listen and you can hear for the chunky dialogue or the awkwardness or just the artificiality of it. It makes such a crazy difference, and you should be table reading anything before you submit it out to people, but just to have a handful of people that are not you read your dialogue so you can listen to it makes just a crazy difference. That's what I got. So what other tips do you have? Do you guys have tricks for writing dialogue? Do you have some sort of way to do it? I just kind of go for it and I just figure it out later. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Catch you next time.